each other, and then some buy something, they sold something. What is this? What is this? Stand up. This is a pair. Any other place we hear many of people gathering? Not only here, other places? Any other places? Village market. Any other places? Bus station. Any other places? Railway station. Now I am going to this your A at the railway station. Student, open your book. Page number 8. Page number 8. Open your book. Page number 8. I am going to this at the railway station. At A-R-I-L-W-A-Y railway station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Have you, student? Have you journey any railway?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Where? Dhaka. Kotha theke kotha? Or are you enter into the rail and got down? Joseph to Dhaka. Any other student? Any other? Are you railway journey corning? Any other student? Now, sit down, please. Have you seen any railway station? Almost, I think that every student have seen. Every student have seen railway station. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, we are going to see a picture at the railway station. Understand? Look at the video clips. Have you seen? Our lesson is at the railway station. Student, look at the sentence. We will learn at this lesson. Describe the situation in the railway station. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
আমরা যদি ট্রান্সলেট করি ভালো হয় তাই না? Describe the situation in the railway station. আমরা রেলওয়ে স্টেশনের যে অবস্থাটা সেটা আমরা একটু বর্ণনা করতে শিখব। Next, match and find antonyms. Antonyms synonym. Have you read? Have you learned? Have you know what is synonym and antonym? Synonym. সমার্থক শব্দ অ্যান্টোনিম বিপরীত শব্দ। Have you know? Yes, sir. তোমরা কি জানি আছো? তোমরা কি জানো?
Yes.
Next, describe about the sequence of the picture. আমরা ধারাবাহিক অনুযায়ী পিকচারটা সাজানো দেখবো। Next, write a personal experience to the different places. Write a personal experience to different places. What is the personal experience? Student, listen carefully. At first, I have told you that I have seen a calendar, and you have told to me it's a village market, it's a railway station, it's a bus stand. Now everybody has any other kinds of situation. Have you meet? Yes or not? তোমরা প্রত্যেকই এমন এমন সিচুয়েশন ফেস করেছো তোমরা মেলা থেকে তুমি হ্যাভ টু গান টু রেজিস্টার yes have to grant registration yes have to go to business market yes have to grant a shopping mall yes there is a huge amount of people gathering here and there it is this place right personal experience what has happened on that place it is a personal experience understand yes sir ওই জায়গায় তোমাদের কি ঘটেছিল সেটা হচ্ছে তোমাদের personal experience completed have you understood yes sir আমরা কি কি শিখতে আমরা বুঝতে পেরেছি yes sir thank you very much yes আমরা দেখি পরেরটা কি আছে students look at the picture have you seen what is this anybody raise your hand everybody raise your hand very good yes please stop this is a you are not agree do you agree who disagree কে ভিন্ন মত পোষণ করবে না বলেছে কি তুমি yes you complete what is this this is a rail but everybody is correct here is a rail here is a railway station here is a railway station sit down please তাহলে আমরা সবাই বুঝেছি it's a rail and a railway station next আমরা দেখি কবিতা আমরা কি কি দেখতে পাই have you seen now people now student look at the picture and think sometime and discuss your partner what they are doing in the railway station understand yes sir have you seen now think sometime and discuss your partner বোঝা গেছে তোমার পার্টনারের সাথে আলাপ করো তুমি কি কি দেখছো নেক্সট পিকচার দেখি একসঙ্গে কথাটা বলে নাও পিকচার নাম্বার কত Picture number 1, picture number 2, picture number 3. Have you seen? Picture number 4 দেখিনি আমরা চারটি দিকে আলোচনা করি here is picture number 4 now student discuss your partner আমি কি ওই ইয়েতে না discuss your partner 5 minutes you have get time 5 minutes 5 মিনিট সময় পাবে now discuss তোর কথা বলি সময় নিশ্চয়ই কথা বলা discuss your discussing না তাকে বেশি করো স্টেজ দুজন করে পাঠা কি হয় পিয়ার দুজন করে কথা বলো কি পিয়ার
আবার একটু মুভমেন্ট করুন
Here is a 4 picture 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you understood? Have you understood? Have you understood? There is a 4 picture 1, 2, 3, 4. Now discuss your partner. What are you seeing in the picture? তোমরা এই ছবিতে কি দেখতেছো? Clear? Now start your discussing. Speak loudly. একটু জোরে কথা বলো। একটু জোরে বলো। Yeah, use number of people gathering. Yeah, go. Some people waiting for them, some people got down from the big railway station, Sasal, I think that we check on the railway station, otherwise Ishwadi railway station or Ishwadi railway station, 16 railway station. Huge amount of people gather here. Understand? Yes? Have you completed? Yes, please. Tityoda.
Something people gathering.
Yes, have you completed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you completed? Yes, now student. What can you hold this picture? Raise your hand. Yes, on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any other person? 7. Stand up. Yes, please. As per heart. She want to know what is the picture number 3. What is happening? Picture number 3. Yes, please.
Some people gathering the railway station.
Some people gathering the railway station. Some people gathering the railway station. Sit down, please. Any other answer?
Sir, many people waiting for train.
Many people waiting for train. Sit down, please. Any other answer? Yes, please.
Many people running in the village.
Many people running in the
Village.
village.
Running in the village.
Running in the village. Sit down, please. Any other yes, please?
So there are coming to the station.
Train coming at the station. Sit down, please. Everybody are. Look at the sentences. Write about what the writer saw and did at the railway station. What is here? What did he do? Write about what the writer saw. লেখক কি দেখলো? অর্থাৎ এখানে লেখক না, তোমরা কি দেখলে? And did at the railway station. What did he do? এখন আমরা চারজন আছি। আমি মনে করি everybody make it group. বসে যাও, তোমরা বসে যাও। Listen carefully. One person. Everybody discuss yourself. And listen carefully. Everybody discuss yourself. প্রত্যেকে আলোচনা করবে। Understand? And one person write. One person write. One student write. Other discuss. Other person will discuss. And one person write. Have you understood? অর্থাৎ একজনে লিখতে চারজন আলোচনা করে একজনে লিখবে। Start writing. Start writing. Don't talk. Start writing. Only 5 minutes. লিখে দাও দেখি দেখি। Have you completed? Yes, sir. Yes, yes. খাতাগুলো দাও, সেই খাতাগুলো দিয়ে দাও। Now, student, I would like to ask on student answer 1, 2. Yes, please.
Picture on. There is a railway station.
There is a railway station. সবাই একটু দেখার চেষ্টা করো, মিলাও সত্যের সাথে মিলছে না। Next.
Picture 2. Some people waiting for the train in the railway station.
Yes, please.
Picture 3. People are very loudly in the railway station to take the train.
Next.
Picture 4. It is a very big railway station, so many people take rest there and wait for the train.
Have you agree? Do you agree? তোমার কি একমত? Please speak loudly.
Yes.
Any student have to refer your opinion. Sit down, please. Sit down. Yes, please. What is the difference? Your answer and your answer. Just speak loudly. Yes, please.
A woman is sitting in the station.
Anyone sitting in the station? Yes.
A woman reading a
Newspaper.
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 The waiting room is crowded.
Every know is correct. Sit down, please. Every answer is a correct. It's a correct answer. It's a correct answer. We have seen a 4 pictures. Huge amount of people gathered in railway station. Some people, a woman reading. Yes, please, sir. Many people gathered. They train arrived at the station. Everyone on the copy. প্রত্যেকটা অধ্যায় আছে এবং যা তোমরা লিখেছো প্রত্যেকটা উত্তরই কম বেশি ঠিক। Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for this purpose with a big hand. সবার জন্য আমরা একটা হাততালি। তাহলে প্লিজ আমরা যাবো দ্বিতীয় অপশন। নেক্সট অপশন দেখি আমরা কি আছে। 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 কোশ্চেন কি করতে হবে আমরা একটু দেখব। 6 সলিউশন क्या मैच the odd column A. Look at it. Match the odd column A with the odd in column B. That has an opposite. Have you? Yes, sir. Opposite. Antony. Clear? Opposite. On is done for you. On is done for react করতে তোমাদের জন্য করতে হবে। এবার আমরা দেখি শব্দ করে কি আছে। Column A. See of not at all, not need to tell you. I will speak and you listen. Then you will speak. When you ask your question answer, and you task, you will speak. Understand?
Yes.
Listen. Short, long, quite, heavy, pick up, light, busy, drop, short. Now student, start your writing. Match the column A, match the column B. What is opposite answer? Opposite meaning, not synonym. Opposite meaning. Viporit artha shabd. Understood?
Yes, sir.
5 minutes. Get only 5 minutes. 6 minutes. 6 or 6 minutes. Yes, please. না দাদা আমি তাহলে এখন তোমার কাছে এটা বুঝতো না সবাই দেখো। Heavy light. Wow. Very good. Not Have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Now, raise your hand. Who can tell this? আমরা একজন girls আমরা would like to hear answer. Yes, please. Take your photo and then
Sea of rock.
see up. Have you agreed?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Long. Yes.
short.
Short. Yes,
Do you agree?
sir.
Next,
Wave.
quite busy.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Heavy light.
heavy, light.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Pick up,
Receive.
receive. Do you agree?
Yes,
Need not to see a right answer. Every answer is correct. আমরা তারপরে একটু দেখিনি যে আমাদের ডিজিটালের সাথে এই সবটা ঠিক আছে। ঠিক আছে? ঠিক আছে? Very good, very, very good. Thank you for your hard work with the began. Next option. Look at the scheme. Look at the picture, talk about what and you see what are happening. Have you seen some picture and what they are doing, what things are happening? You have completed the task. Already you have completed the task. Yes or no? Yes. Student, listen carefully and look at the picture. On the screen, we have seen some picture. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have already finished a task. We have already seen some picture and discussed what are happening on that picture. Now it is difficult to discuss about this picture. Yes or no?
Yes.
Can I go next option?
Yes.
আমরা দেখেছি এখন দেখি reality 17 আমরা একটু দেখিনি সবাই look at the stick a long line of people at the ticket counter. A woman has held her side tightly. A group of young people is talking loudly and drinking tea a pond of Chester. An old couple has sat down to rest. Many people have waited in a waiting room. A young is reading a newspaper. A man is carrying his suitcase. দেখেছি আমরা স্পেশালিতে এগুলো দেখেছি. Have you seen your pictures? You have already discussed about another picture. So I think that I have thought that it is not need to discuss this picture. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Answer to the question below. It's a task. Particular task. আমরা একটা question below দেখি. Who was holding a child tightly? Have you seen the picture? Yes. Who was reading a magazine? You have seen the picture. Then you are hearing the question, listening the question answer. Who was carrying a suitcase? Answer to the question. Think 1 minute and then speak. Tell your answer. Tell your answer. Need not to writing. Record kono darkar nei. 1 minute think. Yes. Speak loudly. Have you seen this picture?
Yes, sir.
And now here is the question. I think that you will tell what is the question answer. Okay na? Yes. 1 minute think. Now student, silent please. Now, silent please. Now student, stand up. Yes, stand up. Who was holding a child tightly?
This side, mother
Mother.
was holding.
Please speak loudly. Speak loudly.
This side mother was tightly
was holding
the side tightly.
outside tightly mother. আমরা কি তাই ছিল? আমরা দেখে আবার নকশাটা দেখব, পিছনে যাই।
আর পিছনে
পিছনে দেখি আমরা পিছনে বাট mother is the correct answer. I told that I tell that is a woman holding outside tightly. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. আমরা আবার যদি ডক্টর চলে যাই, আরেকবার দেখি উত্তর দিই। A long line people are tied tightly. A group of young people is talking loudly and drinking tea in front of a sister. An old couple has sat down to rest. Many people are waiting in the waiting room. Young is reading a newspaper. A man is carrying his suitcase. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
তাহলে আমরা এবার Who was reading a magazine? Yes.
A young was reading a magazine.
Young was reading a magazine. It is to be?
Yes, sir.
Reading a magazine. Yes. Who was carrying a suitcase? Yes. Come, sit down, please. Yes, please, sit down. A man was carrying it? Yeah? Young lady. Yeah? No, sir. A man was carrying a suitcase. Young lady. Young lady. So, joy the number of the dignity by now. Young lady. A man is carrying his suitcase. Not young lady now. Not young lady now. Answer is correct, but a man is carrying his suitcase. Have you seen? Sit down, please. Yes. Our homework. এই পাঠটা আমরা বাড়িতে কি করব? দেখে নাও, খাতা লিখে নাও। Write your homework. লেখো তোমার খাতা। Suppose you went to one of the place listed below. Hey, listen carefully. Suppose you went to one of the place listed below. এই নিচের লাইনে তুমি কোনো জায়গায় গিয়েছো, বিলো নিচে যে শব্দগুলো আছে এরকম কোথাও গিয়েছিলে। Describe what you saw. তুমি সেখানে কি দেখলে? What was happening? কি সেখানে ঘটছিল? And what you did there? এবং সেখানে তুমি কি করলে? Have you understand?
Next.
That's it. Have you understood? Have you written?
Yes.
বল কিসের পরে লিখতে হবে দেখো। A shopping place, a bus station, a flight. At first, listen carefully. At first, I have told you that when I entered into the classroom, when I arrived in our school, I have seen a gathering places. You have told to me a marketplace, a village market, a shopping mall, a railway station. Have you told? Now, you have write in your home class. You will write in your home class a shopping place, a bus station, a fair. Any kinds of options. যে কোনো একটা লিখলে হবে। এটা তোমাদের কাজের জন্য। Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Students, thank you for your hard working. See you again next class.